Kedu and Vishnu here. We are walking on the streets of Toli Chowki. This video is made with the support of Igloo -Degree Magic, a premium frozen yogurt store which is available in Hyderabad with a great space where you can enjoy your time with family, friends and relatives. It's a great frozen yogurt store and it is really friendly to health as it contains no sugar. So enjoy their froyo shakes, their nitrogen froyo and their signature waffles all at one place at Igloo -Degree Magic. And for Food Monk subscribers, if you present FM10 as the coupon code, you can avail a 10% discount on the entire bill. So please keep watching this video for some interesting content, and we all believe that we show the great food available in Hyderabad. Thank you guys. And Vishnu here. We are here at Shagos. If you look at this, we have got a great special halim, the mutton halim here. Great to watch this. If you look at the consistency of the halim, there is less rava and more meat in this, and the ghee topped and fried onions with cashew and coriander. Very exciting, guys. This is the first bite of the season in Shagos halim. Wow. No words, and really mouth-watering. We are really so privileged to have this halim today. And as you are watching the video, Dan also tasted it. And this one full quantity, as I couldn't have it because I'm already having halim in a lot of places. Me, Vishnu shared this halim. So this is the quantity that you are seeing here. This is only for 160 rupees. ஷூட் பண்ணுறியா? ஷூட் பண்ணாத கிட்ட
भाई वो और एक बार करो ना। एक बार कर।
These are the Shahi Kebabs where you can have the beja, the liver, chicken 65, whatnot, everything with a great paratha. So please keep watching this video. We're gonna taste it with Dan who came from Chennai. This is the sheikh kebab. ये क्या है भाई शीख कबाब और चिकन टिक्का है कबाब है मलाई कबाब है. I am only able to listen kebab, nothing else. So we'll eat kebab with paratha. We have got Sriram here who has been eating the kebabs from Shahi Kebabs and just want to check with him about the feedback that we really want to be honest, the genuine feedback from the people who are sitting and eating here since long time. So it's all over to you.
Hi guys, myself Sriram. I'm a local Hyderabadi. Kebabs is very special in Toli Chowki, and it comes tasty with the masala flavor on that coated. So ఫ్లేవర్ తోనే ఈ టేస్ట్ వస్తుంది. యాక్చువల్గా కబాబ్స్ అనేది ఎక్కడైనా హైదరాబాద్లో దొరుకుతాయి, బట్ ఈ రంజాన్ స్పెషల్ ఇక్కడ కబాబ్స్ అండ్ హలీం టేస్ట్ చేసిన తర్వాత మేము కబాబ్ని టేస్ట్ చేసాం.
Guys, so you are watching this video since the beginning. We saw the chicken 65 and the beja fry and PATHAR ka GOSHT and few kebabs. Me and Dan are enjoying the feast today on the streets of Toli Chowki. How are you feeling having on the streets?
I already had this and this is outstanding. I can tell this PATHAR ka GOSHT, this mutton.
So you understood how you got the name?
Yeah. The stone. It was cooked on a hot stone.
Correct.
And this is one of my favorite.
Next level.
Yeah.
Very
level. I can say.
Yeah. So I won't forget that tag. Very level. And if you look at this is really drenched in the fountain of ghee. So just wow. The word that you said, very level. Very level.
The masalas, the spices.
Masala, yes, and the roti also.
Out.
Yeah, correct.
I can just see Chaityu's saliva is spraying.
I couldn't hold that because my mouth is watering.
Yeah, this shows how much big foodie you are.
and the chicken 65 and the kebab. This chicken kebab. Wow, and amazing. And we're also getting the liver fry and the beja fry.
மட்டன் கிட்னி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அது கூட வந்து மட்டன் பிரெயினும் நமக்கு இருக்கு. அண்ட் சிஎம் வந்து இந்த பிரெயின் வந்து நிறைய சாப்பிடணும். ஏன் அப்படின்னா
So this is Shahi Kebab, and I am just talking with Mohammed Zubair Khan, who is sitting here. He is really friendly and talking to people really nice and inviting us to shoot the video. And one thing that I like here is everything that is being cooked is really fresh. It is not frozen.
ये रमज़ान स्पेशल का है साहब। रमज़ान में हर साल पिछले 3 साल से हम लोग यहाँ पर दुकान लगाते हैं, जिसमें पूरा नेचुरल फूड्स रहता है। इसमें कोई आर्टिफिशियल कोई चीज़ नहीं रहती है, हर जो हाइजीनिक फूड रहता है। क्वालिटी और क्वांटिटी का बहुत देख के समझ के हम लोग ख्याल रखते हैं इसके लिए। और पब्लिक यहाँ पर पूरे पिछले 3 साल से रेगुलरली हमारे पास टचिंग है, और पूरे ऑल रिलीजन्स पब्लिक आती है इधर, हिंदू मुस्लिम।